Breaking news, my lovely, wonderful people. Judgment Day suspension as Supreme Court takes decision on 2023 presidential election. See secret deals ongoing behind the scene. My people, now waiting they happen be this, so please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Let's get all the details. There is a hint of uncertainty in the Nigerian politics as the Supreme Court today decide whether President Bola Ahmed Tinubu will retain his position as the president of the country. The country will this morning, the court will this morning deliver judgment in the appeal filed by the presidential candidate of the People Democratic Party, Alhaji Atiku Abubakar, and that of his counterpart, Labour Party, Peter Obi, challenging Tinubu's election. Atiku and Obi are challenging the declaration of President Tinubu of the All Progressive Congress APC as the winner of the February 25th presidential election by the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC. They both filed separate appeal at the Apex Court challenging the judgment of the Presidential Election Petition Tribunal, which had been dismissed by the PEPC, and declaring or affirming Tinubu's victory. On October the 23rd, 2023, a seven-man panel of the Supreme Court Justice led by Justice Okoro reserved judgment in the case after parties in the appeal adopted their brief of argument. Atiku is seeking the nullification of Tinubu's election victory at the Apex Court for allegedly presenting a forged academic certificate to INEC to contest the presidential election. During the hearing of the petition, Chief Justice Uche San, who led the legal team of Atiku and PDP, informed the court of an interim application seeking the leave of the court to present fresh evidence in the appeal. The fresh evidence Atiku sought to tender are the academic record of Tinubu, which were handed over to him by the Chicago State University on October the 2nd, 2023. The 32-page document was released to former Vice President on the order by Justice Nancy of the District Court of Eastern Division, Illinois, United States of America. The U.S. court has ordered the Chicago State University to release the said document to Atiku, despite Tinubu's objection, because the court was convinced that it would help Atiku establish his allegations of forgery, lying on oaths against Tinubu. During the proceedings on Monday, one of the justices on the platform, Justice Emmanuel, told Atiku's lead counsel that the deposition which he sought to tender as evidence was done in the chamber of lawyers to Atiku and not in the court as required by law. Seeking further clarification, Justice Agu said, "I expect the college, Chicago State University, to write disclaiming the document in dispute. Does its stand have the legal authority to administer an oath? We are dealing with a matter that touches on the natural interest of this country." In this response, Uche submitted that the legal system in the United States was different from the English legal system, which is what we practice in Nigeria, and confirmed that the deposition were made in the law chamber of Atiku, American lawyer, with representation by Atiku's American lawyers. He insisted that there is no clarification or dispute on by the legality of the disposition. Tinubu, through his legal team, has also come out to speak on this right, raised an objection to the admissions of the deposition, saying such deposition have to be dismissed. In response, Uche argued that such that such is not the practice of a foreign proceedings, and clarify that the deposition were not based on a court order to clarify the objection in communication by the Chicago State University. The presiding justice, Justice Okoro, further observed that the issue of conflicting documents from the same institution is a serious criminal act which ought to be proven beyond reasonable doubt. After hearing the applicant's motion to admit fresh evidence and the objection by the respondent, the court directed the parties to adopt their brief of argument on the substitute appeal and thereafter reserve judgment to the dates that will be communicated to the parties. In the same vein, the Apex Court also reserved judgment in the joint appeal filed by Obi, the Labour Party, challenging the victory of Atiku for the February 25th election. This has continued to generate a lot of reactions, with Nigerians wondering what is going on with our judiciary system. Are they trying to have a cover-up? What exactly is going on? Also, the hearing of the case, the court dismissed the appeal brought before it by the Alliance People's Movement, who already withdrew their case. The court dismissed the appeal following application filed for his withdrawal, led counsel Chukwuemeka. APM has argued that Tinubu was not qualified to contest the February 25th election in the first place. So, my lovely, wonderful people, this is where we are at the moment. A lot of challenges is going on, and a lot of people are wondering, what is the next line of call, okay, and what's the next line of action? What's the next line of action? What exactly is going on? Because we need to understand it. There are so many issues, and we are tired of the same thing. We are tired of the same thing. There have been a lot of issues going on, and everybody is wondering, what our judiciary system is saying. The last time they were already saying, oh, we cannot allow, this unless Chicago State University sends someone to come and represent, what Atiku is saying. Now they are saying it's Atiku's lawyer that organized the whole thing. The system in America is different from the one in Nigeria. But when a matter is proven beyond reasonable doubt, it is proven. That's the most important thing. Leave us a comment. We'd love to hear from you. God bless you. Bye for now.